Hey guys, I'm Peter Sripol, and I make all sorts of flying things and crazy contraptions on my YouTube channel. This is Sailor Versus, a series where other creators and I test our skills to see if we have what it takes to be in the Navy. I'm here with aviation machinist mate, first class, Caleb DeFreitas. Can you tell me what an aviation machinist mate does in the Navy?
We inspect, maintain, and repair engine components and any components that drive the aircraft.
Okay, cool. So it seems like you guys oversee the whole, brains of most of the operation when it comes to making sure the aircraft are ready for flight and everything is safe.
Well, the AD mission is to send aircraft flying and bring them back safely.
Today we have a giant foam F-18 with a real turbine engine in it. Starting in 3, 2, 1. I have some questions here. So I got this turbine for my friend, and I'm trying to get this thing mounted in my airplane. Now, unfortunately, I'm worried about hot exhaust gases melting this thing because it's actually styrofoam. But I imagine it's probably similar to what you guys do within the Navy. How do you guys shield your airplanes to keep them from melting?
That's a great question, Peter. So what we use in the Navy is a composite frame plus cool air from the fan to help bypass the engine and helps to keep it cool. What I think you can use is a layer of aluminum foil and cheesecloth, maybe 2 layers, and that should work just fine.
Yeah, I think I will try that aluminum foil because I got all this backsplash in the rear of the airplane where I think probably melt the back of my plane if I don't at least try to take care of that. All right, you ready? I'm gonna start the engine.
Good luck on your flight, Peter. Oh, wow, nice takeoff.
For the most part, I think it's a pretty good success. The turbine flew the airplane surprisingly really fast for such a small engine, and the heat shield definitely did its job. Emergency landing! So let's see what the Navy has next for me. Okay, that's really cool. Whoa. Well, we got this giant box today, and this giant metal ring is in it. What is this thing exactly?
Well, Peter, this is a combustion module for a F404/402 engine. This produces thrust that drives the HPT, which eventually drives the engine. We sent you this component from an F-18 to challenge you in a combustion module speed test.
Cool. Challenge accepted.
All right, Peter, are you ready?
I guess so. Let's go ahead and do it. To see if I have what it takes to be an aviation machinist mate, watch Sailor Versus.